rainfall capable of producing.
Yeah!
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, east central Habersham County in northeastern Georgia, southwestern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northwest of Toccoa, Oregon, 5 miles south of Tallulah Falls, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toccoa, Easternly, Turnerville, and Tallulah Falls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.